Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know that I don't usually do stuff like this, but today I wanted to show you a gluten-free pizza recipe that I think is really good. It tastes really good and I wanted to share it with you, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is fill this up to half a cup. Then you want to heat it up in the microwave 30 seconds. Not all microwaves are the same though. Depends how hot yours is. Okay. That's good. Next thing you want to do is open up yeast that you have and fill up half a tablespoon of yeast. Pour it in with the water. Then you get the sugar. You need 1 tablespoon sugar. Sprinkle it in. Good. And you'll take it over here or wherever you have a place to let it set. Put a towel over it. Let it set for 5 minutes at least. Alright. Next step. Fill up flour tube, 1.5 cups gluten-free flour mix that you have filled. I'm using rice flour, that's the one you use in this recipe. Pour it in. Alright, next we need the salt. Maybe half a teaspoon salt. Okay, next, what you want is baking powder. Not too much though, only 1/4 of a teaspoon, so a very small amount. Pour it in with the rest. Final ingredient for this part is the sugar that we need to use again. So, put our half tablespoon of sugar in. Close up the lid. Alright, now we've done this, you can measure your spoon. Stir it. All mixed together well. Alright. Now, this part, separate the mixture. You make a hole in the middle. Make sure there's a hole in the middle. Then you get your yeast, sugar, and water mixture. Okay, it should be done now. Pour it in to the well in the middle. Scrape out the rest of it. Okay. Next thing, enough olive oil. Fill up to half tablespoon. Just like that. Next thing I'll do is pour it in with the rest. Get your spoon, stir it. Looks like it's still a little bit too dry, so if I find it's a tiny bit too dry, get a little bit more water, pour it in. Part where it gets messy. Start putting it together with your hands. It's pretty good now. Mixing it. It's pretty good now. There we go. Good shape with your hands. And before we spread it on the sheet, we have to make sure it's greased. The sandwich bag, some margarine, greased pan. Get all those edges. You won't want to leave the margarine out too long, so put it back in a sec. First, how about we spread the dough? If you find that still getting stuck to your hands, some parts might be a bit too wet, so open flour again. Onto your hands. Rub your hands over it. Keep spreading it out. Oh, and also the pan I'm using is a 14 by 10 inch cookie sheet, so that's the recommended size I'd use if you want to cover the whole pan. Alright. Perfect. And now you can begin to add your own toppings. Alright, now you're going to open up the oven. Put it inside. Careful. Close it. 10 minutes. Let's start with. Alright. 4 more minutes. Let's see how it looks now. How it's done to me. see that's slightly golden. That means that's about done. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this gluten-free pizza tutorial. I hope that you'll like this recipe, and I personally think it tastes really good. It tastes a lot like the normal thing. And here's the pizza. Going to eat it in a bit. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to wrap things up now. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Bye, guys.